Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to enable the prompt for original sale bill details when creating a sale return entry. To activate this option, open LOGIC Admin and go to Global Settings. Then, navigate to Sale Return Settings and locate the option Prompt Original Sale Bill Details in case of sale return. Tick this option to enable it. After enabling, save the settings and restart the software for the changes to take effect. Now, let's create a sale return voucher. At the time of saving the voucher, the software will display the original sale bill details against which the return is being issued.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.